Meet AnyDrop, the seamless cross-platform sharing tool. Just open AnyDrop.org on your computer or phone, and devices on the same Wi-Fi network will automatically discover each other. No app installations or sign-ins required. Not on the same network? No problem. You can easily connect with other devices using a shareable link or by scanning a quick QR code. AnyDrop features a built-in chat, allowing you to easily send text messages back and forth between your connected devices. Need to share files? Just drag and drop. Whether you're sending a batch of photos or a large zip folder, transferring files across your devices is fast and effortless. Every transfer is end-to-end encrypted and goes directly from device to device. Your files never touch a server, keeping your data completely locked down even on public Wi-Fi. And if you drag an entire folder, AnyDrop will automatically zip it for you on the fly. You can also instantly record and send voice notes across any of your connected screens using the mic button. But AnyDrop goes beyond file sharing. The Notes tab creates a shared workspace where text syncs in real time across all your screens, making it the perfect way to instantly hand off long URLs, code blocks, or terminal commands. Just press Command+V on Mac or Control+V on Windows to quickly stage text snippets onto your clipboard for easy copying and sharing. For added privacy on public Wi-Fi, you can set up trusted contacts. This allows for easy pairing and lets your devices instantly see each other, even when you're hiding in invisible mode.